Hello friends! Today I'm going to do some unboxing. It's late unboxing. I have a gift from my husband. Scissors. Two-in-one multi-function car phone mount. Another one. But I think this is better. Let's see. There's a card. There's 1-year warranty. Reflect. I need this for my car because the other one I have to move the rear view mirror, so kind of obstruction when I'm driving, and I think this one has you can turn it on, so I think this is gonna go this way. Okay, you have to mount it on your car. Oh, okay, I think that goes there. And then mount. Okay, like this. That has to be like this. Okay, I don't wanna. Okay, unscrew it. I don't think. Okay. Anyhow, that is, I think that's, you have to loosen it. There you go. The problem. Ooh, yeah, got it. If I could stick it in my car. Okay.
So this comes off.
Hello friends, I figure out. So this one goes to the windshield, and it's gonna be like this, and I have to put my camera here, and there is a button, this one, to tighten it. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, so it's tight. To unlock this one, there you go. It opens, it widens. Now, to secure your camera, yeah, like that. And it turns, so that is the windshield, and it turns. Oh, you have to unlock, loosen this one. Oh, God. There you go. Loosen, and then you can turn it that way. And then you tighten again. So it can be that way, and it can be that way. Yeah. So I'm happy. Now it's assembled, and it's 2-in-1. We can use the other one, this one, to use in the vent. You have to unlock it and use this one instead of this one, and then for the vent. That's nice. Thank you, honey. So there you go. It could be microphone as well. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Thanks for watching. God bless everyone. Love you with the love of the Lord.